Drinking that like a dog. Oh my god, this child.
What's fake? The chicken? Oh, it's fake.
What? It's a napkin, you guys.
It's a napkin.
What did you think it was?
Something. That was there.
It's a napkin? They make it pretty. Jolie's like, I'm gonna hide in this corner now. You can pretend like you like football. There you go. You can watch some football. And Hopey's just gonna continue drinking her water like a dog.
That was too good of timing. She was just looking at them like, does he need anything?
What am I raising over here? Is this it?
A dog.
I thought you were a cat. Demon cat dog. Cat dog. Did you guys ever watch the show Cat Dog?
No.
But I heard of it. You should watch Cat Dog. It's a pretty funny show. If you have, do you have Paramount?
Yeah.
Watch it on Paramount. You'll like it. It's funny. She'll drink it out of a straw in that one, but not this one.
She doesn't have a straw.
Be a normal human being.
She doesn't know how. Oh my god.
She can't just pick it up and...
Hopey, no. That one's shared. You can't do that.
She's always forgetting I'm existing. That's normal. Yeah. A bit too
I
normal.
knew this, but probably shared.
Why are you doing this, Hopey?
Because
Are you human? Yes or no?
yes, I claim it too.
You claim to be human? Most humans don't drink their water like that.
Children do.
I don't see Jelena doing that.
Younger children.
Who? I have never seen anybody else do that. You're intense.
I don't like it.
Okay, bye.